$257 April 2017, 19 photos, $445 March 2017, 28 photos, $288 February 2017, 19 photos, $262 January 2017, 19. Video, we're going to talk about how you guys can make up to $15 for each photo that you submit and each photo that you upload with your phone. Okay, going to give you all the details right on this video. To the video. All right, so the first website we're going to take a look at here is IM. Now, this is an app that everyone should be using if you like taking photos. The marketplace was launched back in 2015 with over 18 million users, amateurs and professional. You are equally respected and you can easily showcase your talent using this app. Okay, if you have some creative shots on your smartphone, well, submit them to IM and they will give you 50% of the commission each time your photo sells. Okay, so simply upload your photos to the marketplace and after a very short review time, your photos will be on sale right on the website. So now, depending on the style of photo, it can also be added to their premium partner websites, which have much higher traffic and that sort of thing. So this means higher lucrative prices for you. As soon as your photos sell, you will be notified and you can also pay out your earnings with PayPal. So go check it out. Also found this article over here, how this guy made his first $1,000 using the IM market. Pretty good article. I will leave a link to this down below in the description of this video so you guys can go over there and check it out. Really lots of good photos and different things. You guys can kind of see what he did and how he earned the money. Really, really good article. Also, the app is available for the Android and Apple devices over here on the App Store. Not too bad of a rating, about 4.8 stars out of 5. Not too bad. Go ahead and read the reviews. Over on Google Play, about a 4.3 stars out of 5. Really not too bad. So go check it out, guys. That's im.com. I will leave links below for all of the websites that we're going to be talking about on this video. The other one here is Fope. And this is over at fope.com. Here's another company that will pay you $5 for each photo that sells on their website. Your photo is actually sold for $10, but they keep 50% of the profit. Okay. Fope also has contests and missions where users can submit photos and win over $100. Looking over here on the Google Play, it's also available for the iPhone devices as well. But Fope has about a 3.8 stars out of 5. Not too bad. And then over on the Apple Store, looks like it's about 4.5 stars out of 5, which is actually a little bit better. So go check it out, guys. Another way that you can make money using the photos on your phone. Also, another website here, it's called Clash Shot. This is another way you can upload photos and make money. All right. So when photos are sold on the website, prices are in the range of $5 all the way up to $80. So you have a good chance of making some higher profits with this platform. It's also available for the Android and Apple devices over on the Apple Store. Looks like about a 3.1 stars out of 5. Yeah, it could be a little bit better, guys. Go ahead and read the reviews a little bit before you just jump right into it, just to kind of make sure you know what you're getting yourself into. But looking over here on Clash Shot, about 4.2 stars out of 5, really not too bad. Looking a little bit better on the Google Play Store for this app. So go ahead and check out the reviews before you download anything. And so there you go, guys. Those are 3 ways on how you can make money with the photos, even already existing photos. If you have creative things that you take on your phone, I know I'm getting all creative, taking different pictures and things all the time, of outside and taking pictures of my dog and stuff like that. You never know. Submit those photos. Someone might see one and go, wow, I want that photo. And if they download it, you guys are going to get paid. Now, if you guys want to make a little bit better use of your time, and learn how to make a full-time passive income right online, which is what I'm doing. This has changed my life. And so if you want to make money while you sleep and while you're out on vacation and traveling, well, check out the link below.